Sheesh.
Is there an attempt at roof repair?
Is this the same shingle? This one's cracked right here.
You're cracking more as you pull them up?
Yeah, this whole shingle is just cracked off.
Okay. Is that still the one that you're trying to fix?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's ripping.
I'll rip the bottom of them.
Is this even part of the shingle? Oh, this comes off too.
That's 3 tabs over now. But you already damaged the next one up too now, huh? From the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this is
Just try to go light. Wasn't too bad. Uh-oh. So that one brittle and that one broken out too. Let's just keep going for it. It seems like I'll grab the shingle.
Yeah, I see this one tore here.
That one tore as it went up to there. Here, let me let's get it back in here. I'm feeling too for every one that we try to take out, there's going to be every other one we're going to damage one probably.
The shingles won't match at all.
No. Probably just use those old nails too, maybe, huh?
Yeah, those.
Because for 3-tab shingles, you only got to have them at 1 1/4 inch, right?
One and a quarter.
Or is it 1 1/4 for the other and 1 inch for 3-tab?
It might just be 1 inch because these are shorter.
Yeah, I think it is.
Let's chuck these new nails in. appointment.
So that would be our repair. The problem is we damaged as we were doing the repair. We damaged
Next one up.
that shingle, and then on the bottom side of it too, we tore some of that off.
Tore off the edge.
So we gotta have,
So that's not going to seal properly.
well, yeah, but we could still seal that. But for every one we tear off, we're gonna be, you know, because these just all are sticking, we're just gonna be damaging these shingles as we tear them off. Unless they're not sealed, which then they're just gonna blow around again. So a repair to this roof, I think would probably end up being more expensive than
Long end, yeah.
full tear off. Plus, because our ice and water barrier, we have to replace bottom 6 feet anyways. And then on the back side of the roof, we have some wind damaged back in the corner down here as well, which we have the same thing. And so at that point, the bottom 6 feet we have to replace, or we wouldn't touch it. And then by that point, we're gonna start tearing in and ripping into other shingles as well. So plus, it's not going to match. We're not going to get a good match on this at all.